Namaste, everyone. It's me, Sanjay Lamatamang. Today, we are going to talk about seasoning. It's very famous and super versatile in global culinary kitchen for marination. Cajun seasoning recipe that's bold, spicy, and super versatile. Homemade Cajun seasoning recipe ingredients: 2 teaspoon paprika, perfectly smoked or sweet. 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon black cracked pepper, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Adjust to taste for spiciness. Half teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, optional for extra heat. Instruction: mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Store in an airtight container for up to 6 months. Shake before is used to redistribute spices. Tips for low sodium: reduce or omit the salt. For milder flavor, cut the cayenne and red pepper in half. Grate on chicken, shrimp, steak, roasted vegetable, fries, or add it to jambalaya or gumbo. Thank you very much, everyone, watching my recipe. Follow the recipe with your cooking style in your kitchen or workplace. Enjoy with your family, friends. Thank you very much, everyone. Stay tuned always with me for the more upcoming new recipes. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. Thank you very much. Love you all.